Welcome back to another edition of Juicing with Jay. Today, I harvested a dragon fruit. This dragon fruit has been a very heavy producer for me over the years, and it is one of my favorite dragon fruit, and it is the Noid Purple. This is the Noid Purple. I harvested this morning before I went live. This is a Connie Meyer dragon fruit, so I'll put them side by side so you can kind of see what they look like. If you have not seen the review on the Connie Meyer, go back a couple of videos and you will see my review on the Connie Meyer. This is a green dragon fruit with a blush of red. This is the original color, and this is the Noid Purple, and this is fully red with the green tendrils right here. All right, so I'm gonna give you guys the bricks meter for this year, 2024, so you can see what the bricks score is. So let's get into it. Once again, this is the purple Noid dragon fruit. All right, guys, this is what it looks like on the inside. It's a nice, beautiful, purplish, pinkish color, purple, magenta purple. Very beautiful on the inside. Look how juicy it is. Now I'm gonna take the brick score. So I've taken some of the juices, and this is to measure the sweetness. I usually go at the center. All right. The bricks for this is coming in at 20. So far, this is the highest bricks number that I've had on the dragon fruit. So the bricks is coming in at 20, meaning that this should be a very sweet and delicious fruit. Now, I'm gonna take the taste test. This is what it looks like. Without fail. This is why this is my favorite fruit from the dragon fruit collection. It has a very deep, great berry taste to it. All right. So this is the Noid Purple. Very delicious. The bricks, once again, is 20. And this came in at 11 ounces for the weight. 11 ounces for the weight. All right. You know the motto on the page, each one teach one. Juicing with Jay, and I will see you on the next video. Peace. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.